Today at Coyote Classics, we're gonna check out a pretty badass 1970 Dodge Dart Swinger. We're gonna do a walk around on it, and then we'll pull it out, let you hear that motor run. It's even got exhaust cutouts too that I'm excited to open up.
Yeah, underneath the hood of this one, Dalton's got a newer 360 crate motor. Previous owner stated that it had 380 horsepower. So this thing will definitely get up and go.
These darts are a lot of fun. They're just such a, compact little car, and especially when you get a nice wheel and tire setup on there and some horsepower under the hood. I mean, they go.
And this one is done to a nice quality. I mean, underneath the hood, paint is beautiful. A lot of times they really skimp on these when they paint underneath the hood. This one looks great. Again, you got that 360 crate motor, power steering, disc brakes on the front. You got headers. Just a really nice engine bay.
Yeah, it is.
On bottom of the hood's just the flat black. It does have the dual scoops on it. Also has a factory Fender tag as well. It's a great color. I mean, the more classics we sell, it seems like, blues sell about the fastest out of anything.
Yeah,
don't they?
They do. And this is B5 blue, maybe a little scotch darker.
Yeah,
it's real close.
It's a good color. Brand new. Previous owner went ahead and put new Krager SS's on it, new tires on it, just a great stance. I mean, this thing screams all muscle with that rear spoiler, the front scoops, the great stance, the bumblebee stripe. Brady just drove this one in here just a little bit ago and had those exhaust cutouts, and heard it going down the road. It really looked good and sounded great. Backside of the hood is excellent. Paint all the way throughout. The cowl is really nice as well. Looks like even the rubbers and stuff around the wing windows, when they did the restoration, I mean, all that stuff looks pretty good as well. Really nice even gap, top to bottom. Tire tread's good. Wheels are beautiful. Somebody's really gonna get a nice car here, D.
Yeah, they are. And I think if I remember correctly, the previous owner told us he did new front and rear bumpers, and I think it definitely looks that way.
As far as it does have just one little tiny little paint chip right here, very small, but the bottom of the door lines up nice. Body line here is excellent. Roof rail is nice as well. It looks like in the paint, you can just feel it here. It's just got a few little paint imperfections. I don't know what the hell you'd call it. Just a couple little paint imperfections there. Like you said, great sound and dual exhaust, new bumper, tail lights are excellent. Trunk lid lines up nice. As we look up and down the sides, very straight. It's got a couple tiny, very, very small, little tiny ding right here. Door handles are original. As we open up the doors, paint on the door jambs, just like the paint underneath the hood, is in excellent shape. Corners of the doors are good, rubbers are good. When they repainted the car, they did a nice job painting the upper door panels, door jambs. This is really a nicer car than I remembered.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, I love these little darts. I mean, they're fun. They're a fun little Mopar.
Yeah, how about the buckets, console? You don't see buckets and console in too many of these either. You got the old get in, sit down, shut up, and hang on. Well, excited about taking this out here in just a few minutes and getting on it. Dash pad's excellent. Headliner's very nice. Back shelf's been redone with 6x9s. Back seat is great. Does have the seat belts in the front. And like I said, really nice factory console. Chrome and wood grain's nice. Again, looking up and down the driver's side, all along the bottom is super clean and nice. A couple tiny little imperfections right there. I mean, that's very minute. As we go down here in the quarter, on the driver's side, passenger side, I didn't see any, but driver's side's got a couple little spots on it. Bottom of the door closes nice, rocker panel's excellent, and so is the lower fender. Very, very nice. Make sure you go to our website, look at the undercarriage photos on this one, www.coyoteclassics.com. It's a great little Dart. It's got the factory sticker there, the VIN. Bottom of the doors, interior, door panels, everything's just as like it was on the passenger side. Roof rail rubbers are nice. When they did it, they pulled everything apart and did it. Grant GT wheel. Aftermarket tack.
Let's drive it. Jump in there, I'll film you, we'll pull her out.
Let's do it.
Sounds awesome. There's your exhaust cutouts. All right, let's drive it. Ready?
Yeah. Sitting in behind the driver's seat of this Dart, it just feels so comfortable. Got plenty of headroom. Kind of go through what works and what don't work on it. Alternator gauge works. Carries great oil pressure, about 60 pounds at an idling about probably 600-700 RPM. Looks to me like the fuel gauge isn't working right now. Probably needs a sending unit. Go ahead and put it in park once while we talk. As far as the heat and defrost, not sure on that.
Hey, how about that?
Hey, it does work. That's pretty cool. As far as the CD player, works good too. Wipers work. Basically, the only thing that's not working right now is the horn, and the horn feels like it's all there.
And then you got your cutouts, and then you said overdrive transmission too?
It's got an overdrive transmission. I'm not sure when to turn that on or off, but it's got a little switch here, it lights up, so it's currently off. So, yeah, and that's nice. If you want, and this has got 355 gears in it. I don't know if I mentioned that. So it's got 355 Posi in it. It's a cool car.
It is a cool car. Fun hot rod.
Yeah, nice paint and body too. 4,000 RPM shift. Really nice transmission in it. As far as the brakes go, they were not power, but you do have nice stopping power, no pull left or right. I go through the gears once in it. Nice headliner too. What a nice day for a ride in a 70 Dart, huh?
I know, it looks warm outside, it just doesn't feel warm.
No, it's freaking wind's terrible.
There's right back in the seat.
The only bad thing is the steering wheel kind of blocks the tack, so that kind of defeats the purpose, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The steering wheel needs to be straightened, and then you can be able to see that. Try this overdrive deal here. There you go.
Yeah.
Flip that up, you're in third gear. Go it, flip it up. The speedometer works too, where you're just doing 70 mile an hour. It doesn't bounce around or nothing.
So with the overdrive, you're going in third gear, you want to hit that fourth gear, you flip that switch, and then as we felt right there, it shifts into fourth.
Go ahead and shut her back down like that. That's simple. Now we're back. We're back in third. Really goes down the road nice. The only thing I can say is if we can get that steering wheel straightened, that'd be about the only thing, though.
Nice. Yeah, good Mopar. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.